to another episode of The Gun Show. Today we are doing some more trivia, but we're doing it different today. Now we're just going to bring the contestant out, and they're going to actually be asked a question, just them and them only, and then they will answer the question. You won't know if it's right or wrong until the last episode, which is next episode when we'll reveal the scores. We have some new questions today. And we actually have 5 people, and Carson Adams cannot participate. He is not feeling well today, so he can't be here. So we have, filling in for him, Noah Anderson, Ian, and you remember Ian, he's the guy who does all the technical stuff, and Alex Blair. So, here's our first contestant, Mr. Sam Holbrook. Here he is. Sit down in the chair. Sit down.
Thank you.
Welcome. Here is question number 1. No, you don't even know it. How many national championships has Kentucky basketball won? 8. Okay. Let's see. How many? He says 8. Well, you won't know until later. And here's Carson. Since he's sick, he's just doing it. He's a scorekeeper. So, thank you for coming out, and you can go back.
No, you gotta ask him all 3.
Oh, number 2. What is Alabama's football team's mascot's name? What's his name? We know it's the elephant, but what's his name?
Tide.
Okay. And question number 3. Which team is in the SEC Conference, which is Southeastern Conference? Is it either Georgia Tech or Texas A&M?
Texas A&M.
Okay. Thank you for coming out.
Go back and get Noah.
Go and get Noah Anderson, who is our next contestant, everybody. Thanks.
Good.
We need to...
They don't know. Sam got 2 right. Score 2.
Okay, Sam got a score 2. He doesn't know. So... Here, good job. We want to give a congratulations to Sam. Next, we have.
Please have a seat. Get up.
Please have a seat, Mr. Noah. And this is his first ever time appearing on the Gun Show.
Yes, I've been on Vine. I've not been on YouTube.
Okay, so question number 1: how many national championships has UK basketball won?
You can pass.
You can pass. He passes.
Listen, look. That's an automatic incorrect. Listen, look. I'm not like basketball. Look, I don't know. I'm not a genius. That's your fault. Okay, I don't care.
Well, we're sorry. No, he missed it. He didn't answer it because he doesn't know. What is Alabama's team mascot's name? Not like the elephant.
Okay, I know it's an elephant.
Ellie? Okay. Question number 3. Which team is in SEC Southeastern Conference? Is it either Texas A&M or Georgia Tech?
Texas A&M.
Okay. Thank you for coming out.
Please go get Brady.
Please go get Brady.
I think I'm an idiot.
Please quit doing that to the door.
So, let's go. Yay for Noah.
Yay.
He only got 1 correct. He only got 2 correct out of 3. He's sucked. That's not so good. Aww.
Alex is doing it to me.
Next up, we have Mr. Alex. I don't know. And here is Mr. Brady Adams, not Alex, but Brady. Sit down, Mr. Brady. Okay. Question number 1. How many national championships has UK basketball won? 8. Okay. Question number 2. What is Alabama's football team's mascot's name?
Big Al.
Okay. And which team is in SEC Conference? Texas A&M or Georgia Tech?
Texas A&M.
Wow, thank you, Mr. Brady. Now you can go and have a seat. And to know these people don't know how many they got.
Brady, y'all get Ian. Y'all get Ian.
Next up we have Ian. And guys, actually, Brady got 3 right. So he got all of them right. So congratulations to Brady. Yay, confetti to Brady. Because he got 3 right. He done the best one. He got 3.
Okay,
Next up we have
Ian.
Ian. Sit down.
Sit down.
Ian, you need to change your clothes.
Okay. Question number 1. How many national championships has UK basketball won? 7? 7. I don't know.
Brady, what do you say for UK?
Okay. What is Alabama's football's team mascot's name?
You can pass.
Okay, great.
Pass.
It's awesome, yeah, I'm great.
Okay. Question number 3. Which team is in the SEC conference? Texas A&M or Georgia Tech?
Texas A&M.
Okay.
Okay, please
We don't know how
please
you
go back there with your
please go
fellow
back
competitors.
and get who's the next contestant.
No, there is nobody left.
Is everybody done it?
No, Ian, see.
Hey, Ian,
Okay,
change your clothes.
guys, all contestants can come back.
So we want to congratulate all of our contestants. Good job, everybody. Good job to Brady
Okay,
and
here's
Noah
the scores.
and I didn't do that good.
Here's the score.
And-
First.
No, we don't tell him. We don't tell him. We
I
don't
didn't
tell
do
him.
good either,
That's
so.
next episode. That's next episode. Say
No.
Yeah.
No, let's tell them.
No,
Okay,
that,
no.
that,